Hi everybody, Dugas Bradford here. Welcome to another copyrighted edition of Dugas TV. Today I'm going to teach you all how to reapply string to a weed whacker. So the first thing you got to do is take the old stuff out, which you just basically unclip it right here, and then this thing pulls right out. Then what you got to do is get some new string. I went with the all-purpose .065 Weed Warrior. Then what you do once you have the appropriate length or the length that you want, some people recommend doing 15 feet. I do about 7 feet. The next thing that you do is you determine which side is the top and which side is the bottom of this mechanism that you took out from here. The side with the arrows are the top side. So what I do is I start on the top side and I run it through this little hole right here. Once I put it in that little hole, you can see it on the bottom side of the mechanism. Then once I run it through that hole, I turn it around and pinch it kind of at an angle. And then I cut it at an angle right here so I can feed it back down the back side of it. What that does is it creates a wedge and it sticks really tight. And you could also send this side out the other side of the weed whacker. But once you have that through and you created a wedge and you pull it in the opposite direction, that's when you wind your new string nice and tight in the opposite direction of how you fed it through. This is what I'm doing now. Wind it around, doesn't matter how you do it. Some people crisscross it until you have some length that you want to be coming out as you're whacking string. Once you have it at the appropriate length, sometimes give it a little extra because you could always cut it off. Feed it through this hole right here. And then this bottom one you can feed through here if you want. Feed through that hole. Once again, that's just extra. Don't need to do that. Once you have fed it through, lock it in place. And then you can twist this to lock it. Boom, locked in place. Then what you do is you put your cap on. Voila! And that's how you reapply weed whacker string. Alright, before I weed whack this sector of grass, I like to give a proper warning to the animals so they can get out of there so I don't end up harming a snake or something. Well, that's it everybody. That's how you reinstall some weed whacker string. I hope you found this video useful, and feel free to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you next time on Dugas TV. Dugas out.